Imagine getting suspended just for wearing a black armband to school. That actually happened, and it led to one of the most important Supreme Court cases about student rights. This case is called Tinker versus Des Moines, decided in 1969. A group of students wore black armbands to school to peacefully protest the Vietnam War. The school found out and suspended them, even though they weren't causing any trouble. The Supreme Court had to answer one key question: can public schools limit a student's right to free speech? The school argued that the armbands could disrupt learning and cause problems. The students argued that wearing armbands was a peaceful expression protected by the First Amendment. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the students. The court said that students do not lose their constitutional rights when they walk into a school. This case created an important rule. Schools can only limit speech if it causes substantial disruption to learning. Peaceful expression, like clothing, symbols, or opinions, is protected. This case still affects schools today. It's the reason students are allowed to express opinions, protest peacefully, and speak out, as long as they aren't seriously disrupting school. In simple terms, Tinker versus Des Moines says students have free speech rights, even at school. Do you think schools should be able to limit student speech more? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more Supreme Court cases explained simply.